So generally, as we know, why sleep is so important is, um, that if we fast, we can fast for a long period of time without food. We can go. We can also go without water for some period of time. We can probably go without exercises for a long period of time. Many people do. But as far as the sleep is concerned, you cannot compare with exercise, food, water, anything like that. If you miss sleep for a couple of days, your body is shutting down, deteriorating. Your health is totally deteriorating down. So you can see how important sleep is. Personally, I know that when I get up in the morning after good sleep, after enough REM sleep, after enough deep sleep, after enough hours of sleep, then I can know that my entire body, the feeling of my entire body, so much sense of kind of energized. In my mind, there's a lot of clarity. In my mood, there is more sense of positive outlook in the life. Is something that very optimistic. Then I can feel that whole energy. And when I miss that, it's a totally different. We all need to see how to realize how important it is to have this view toward sleep. Is so important to see is how important it is, because most of the time people don't see how sleep is important. I call it sacred sleep. It's not only sleep, sacred sleep, which is very important for also not only physical but mental, also spiritual sense. This is why the Tibetan yogas of dream sleep is coming from.